Raptors. Now raptor meaning to seize or to take by force. So they use their strong talons by seizing or impaling their prey. Now there are 446 types of raptors, but here in Cebu Ocean Park we have 3. So we have our Brahminy Kite kingdom, our Philippine Serpent Eagle Freddy, and our White-bellied Sea Eagle Aggie. Now just a friendly reminder to each and everyone, if our birds and will fly over you, please do not try to reach or grab our bird. And for the meantime, please stay clear of the center stairs so no one shall pass the center stairs. And for the kids, so kids please sit down for a while. Now once again, please settle down and please stay clear of the center stairs so no one shall pass the center stairs. So kids, sit down lang sa kids. So now let's go in our Brahminy Kite kingdom. Now Brahminy Kite, scientifically known as Haliastur indus. These lemmings can be found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as sea eagles. So here in the Philippines, they are locally known as lawings or banok in the Visayan region. Now, Brahminy kites are delicate and petite than eagles. That is because they prey on smaller animals such as fish and insects. Now, kung familiar mo na nga bird, wala siyang bird na nasa show ni Kuya Kim na matang langit. And so that is it for Brahminy Kite kingdom. Now up next is our Philippine Serpent Eagle Freddy. Now Philippine Serpent Eagle, scientifically known as Spilornis holospilus. This endemic eagle can be found in the major islands of the Philippines. So mostly found in open woodlands and forests. Now, Philippine Serpent Eagle and Philippine Eagle are two different birds. So, see Freddy right there is our Philippine Serpent Eagle, while our Philippine Eagle is 3 times larger than Freddy. So now, before we call in our last raptor, I would like to request everyone to please sit down for your safety and for the safety of our bird. And especially sa kids, so please kids, sit down lang sana. So now let's call in our White-bellied Sea Eagle, Aggie. Now White-bellied Sea Eagle, scientifically known as Haliastur, leucogaster. Now these raptors can be found around Southern Asia and Australia. Now these raptors are primarily white on its head and body with a gray on its back and wings, which held in a strong V shape. With a wingspan of 2.2 meters, landing itself as the second largest raptor in Australia. Now they are known to be skilled hunters and have an excellent eyesight, which can catch up their prey as fast as 30 to 100 miles per hour. Now I want everyone to please sit down. protect them from their sharp beaks and talons. Now ready your cameras as Aki will fly across the stage. And so that is it for White-bellied Sea Eagle, Aki. Now lastly, for our flying birds, please look to your left as we call in our homing pigeons. Now homing pigeons have innate homing ability, meaning they'll go back to its nest and mate. So they have a special sense called magnetoreception, wherein they can detect the bird's magnetic field, allowing them to perceive direction, altitude, and location. So how about the